Imagine you are cruising down the highway, expecting that smooth V8 power, but suddenly your engine starts shaking, feeling rough, and that dreaded check engine light stares back at you. If you have plugged in a scanner and see the code P3442, you are dealing with a cylinder 6 deactivation intake valve control circuit performance issue. Now, do not panic, because this is actually a pretty fascinating system. Modern vehicles, especially from General Motors, Dodge, Jeep, and Chrysler, use this technology to save you gas. When you're just coasting or driving under a light load, the engine computer, known as the ECM, shuts down 4 of your 8 cylinders to act like a V4. This specific code means the computer tried to tell cylinder number 6 to take a break or wake back up, and the electrical signal it got back did not make sense. It usually involves a voltage or resistance issue in the solenoid circuit that controls that valve. This is serious because if the cylinder is stuck in the wrong state, you get misfires, which can damage the engine internally if you ignore it for too long. You might notice the engine feels like it is stumbling, you're burning more gas than usual, or the car just feels gutless. Before you run out and buy a new solenoid, listen closely, because I'm going to save you some time and frustration. The #1 cause for this, believe it or not, is often low engine oil or dirty oil. These systems rely on oil pressure to physically activate the pins that disable the valves. If your oil is low or sludge-filled, the solenoid cannot do its job, and the computer throws this code. So, step 1 is checking your dipstick. If the oil level is fine, you need to look at the wiring. These solenoids sit right on top of the engine, often near the intake manifold, where heat and vibration can wear through wire insulation or loosen connectors. Inspect the harness going to the cylinder 6 solenoid for any burn, cuts, or corrosion. If the wiring looks clean and the oil is full, you might have a bad solenoid, but do not replace it until you have verified the circuit integrity with a multimeter. A common mistake people make is swapping the part immediately, when the real problem was just a clogged oil passage or a simple loose ground wire. Check the basics first, and you might fix this for the price of an oil change.